Ready to transform your voice into a powerful AI tool? Let's dive into the essential steps of creating your own Retell AI. First, we need a platform. Several user-friendly options are available. Explore platforms designed for no-code or low-code AI development. Next, determine the purpose of your AI. What should it do? Will it be a chatbot, a voice assistant, or something entirely unique? Clearly defining its function guides your development. Now, gather the necessary data. This includes audio recordings, text transcripts, and related information. The quality and quantity of your data significantly affect your AI's performance. Make sure the data is clean and relevant. The core of AI creation is the training process. After all the preliminary steps are completed, we need to train the AI. The AI learns from your data to understand speech patterns and to follow instructions. Finally, test and refine your Retell AI. Evaluate its accuracy and efficiency. Make improvements based upon responses. Adjust your data and adjust or retrain your AI model to yield a better outcome. Congratulations, you've created a Retell AI.